Hello, hello. I'm tired. Let's get started. Let's get started. Boom. Back to bot stuff. How exciting. So where I left off last time, the bot was more or less in like a fully functioning state. So that's cool. That's cool. So now we're just going to start refactoring. I've already actually worked on this off stream. Working on it yesterday. So it's been refactored. All the Twitch stuff now just lives in its own crate. Moved the model stuff to its own crate so that the main, I guess, root workspace, root crate, will be the actual just main thread binary, basically just the runner. So I think I have the right idea. Yeah, so here's the new main file. Can't really do stuff just yet because a lot of things actually rely on certain things existing, which they don't right now. We'll get to it. Let's see. Anti-spam should be pretty easy to port over, though. I'm hoping. Famous last words. It should be pretty easy. Oh, sorry. Timestamp is. Is there a Tokyo? Tokyo instance, which I guess is just tagged to the thread. That's fine. Strikes 0. I guess I really could just copy and paste this, huh? There we go. Should be fine. What is this one? Oh, it's not now. It's not new, it's now. Or can't I just have like a nothing? I suppose it's just now, and that'll just be set whenever. Oh, this is also now, so yeah. Turns out I'm just crazy. Can't read. It's a hard life. Alright, let's create duration, or use duration in the standard library. I suppose the instance from Tokyo, it does say here. Yeah, the notes. This type wraps the inner standard variant is used to align the Tokyo clock for uses of now. This can be useful for testing where you can take advantage of time pause and time advance. Yeah. But they should be compatible, I hope. Alright, so struct anti-spam. So this will be some sort of duration and chat history, and this is only applicable for Discord, because I think in Discord it's a little tough for me to always monitor it, but at least for Twitch chat I can, you know, I'm there. And then if people spam in Twitch chat, it doesn't really matter. Although I might have to rip it out. Well, rip this out of being like super Discord specific, because it's actually not Discord specific, except for the part where it is user ID. Yeah, which is a U64 because it's Discord, but I suppose it doesn't have to be like a U64. It could just be like an enum, right? So like a tagged union. So it'll be like chatter, whatever. So I have like a chatter enum, so So like enum chatter. Then we make it like Twitch. So Twitch was based off of your login name or your username, I think. Or Twitch also has user IDs, right? Or is that not true? My voice is all kinds of messed up today, but only today specifically. It feels a lot deeper than it usually is. I feel more gravelly, which could be a good thing. Okay, so where's the message? Message. There's your private message. So private message, then you can get the, not the display name. Isn't there, there's just the, yeah, just the name. Okay, well, isn't there an ID? There's message ID. I think that might be wrong. User ID. I don't know. Also, remind me, just once. How am I pulling in the Twitch stuff again? I remember I was doing something special with it. Yeah. Hold on. Twitch, chat, GitHub, Rust. Yeah. So I guess this is out of date. Maybe. Don't know. Is there another one that's more updated, or is this just dead? Yeah, looking for maintainers. I don't know. Let me see. Rust. Is there another like Twitch chat? Rust Twitch chat crate. There's Twitch IRC. This is updated. This is actually slightly more updated than the other one. Maybe I should use this instead. Well, okay, well, hold on. Twitch chat, Twitch API, Twitch TUI, Twitch message. That's just a parser. I don't need a parser. Well, maybe. And this is actually from the last person, so what the heck? Who merged this? Yeah, it's the same person, so maybe this is fine. I suppose I don't need to pull directly from Git anymore. I can just do this. So that should be fine, maybe, perhaps. It'll be roughly the same thing, except now Rust Analyzer needs to rescan everything. But now we're pulling from crates.io. Possibly. That's probably fine. Let me see. These two things, I haven't really thought too much about that. What am I supposed to do there? And what am I supposed to do here? I think this would be better to just kind of preemptively make this usable for both Twitch and Discord. Because then I can just turn it on and turn it off. Because even if I don't use it for Twitch, I could. There's the option is there, right? Perhaps. Yeah. So can't I do it like that? Or do I actually need to implement like hashable hash? Yeah, perhaps, maybe. I'm a little confused as to why I'm only getting really basic syntax highlighting. Maybe it's because like this is super broken. Where's anti-spam? I had this open. Source, Discord, anti-spam. Yeah, I don't know why this is deriving default if I also manually implement a new for it. Impl anti-spam. Sorry. Non-spam time is a new duration from seconds. Oh no, give me the default spam time. Yeah, I thought I was missing something. Yeah, 64. Or actually, this should probably be an F32, huh? Like that, which means that this one can be from seconds F32. Give me the default, please. Like so. Chatter history is a hash map. Sorry, hash map is new. Alright. Is spam should time out and reset. Yeah. I guess I can just copy and paste all of this. Right? Maybe? Perhaps? No. Yeah, no, this should be broken, right? Like, this should be giving me an error. Yeah, this should be giving me an error, but it's not. Which means that once I get everything working again, I have a sinking feeling I'm going to see a lot of red. I'm going to see a lot of red. So yeah, so we'll do it like this then. Chatter. Actually, can you do that? Can you have a hash map of enum to a struct? I'm pretty sure yeah you can have this in the value field. I'm not sure what you can have in the key field. But the fact that this didn't throw an error initially when this was looking for a U64 is making me very nervous. Yeah. Or maybe that's fine, I don't know. Actually, maybe it's totally fine. Possibly. Yeah. Nope, there's the save, and now we're doing it. Okay. Okay, equal and partial equal, sure. I don't know. What took it so long? Did I just not hit save? I suppose that's very possible. Equal and partial equal. I think it should be pretty easy to do. Perhaps, maybe. Maybe. Now we're getting some red. When red shows up and I'm able to solve it, I feel a lot better. So insert. Dereferences the value. I suppose you can't do that either, right? So how do you well, we can just do it like that then, huh? And then we can explicitly use this as a reference, so we always move the value. It doesn't really matter because we always have the original. Yeah. We will always have the original. Because when we get a user ID from Twitch, it's always a string. And from Discord, it's always a U64. And then we have to construct the enum. Okay, that makes sense. So we can afford to just let go of the chatter. Yeah. Okay. I think this looks pretty good, maybe. I do love having a nice doc string though. All right. What is this? This is the Twitch. Okay, so we don't need to look at Twitch. Handler anti-spam is anti-spam. And this one is reaction roles is an arc, read write lock, hash map, string to U64. It's beautiful. And by beautiful, I mean absolutely horrendous. Nope. What's your problem? Expected comma. Where? Oh, I'm missing one here. Alright, and then cannot find hash map in the scope. That makes sense. Import. Might be better just to split out the reaction role stuff entirely. Kind of turning into a mega struct though, for sure. So there's the receiver, which is, what is it? It's a receiver, Tokyo broadcast receiver, looking for a central message, and then the sender, which is sender, broadcast, and then this is looking for Discord message. Okay, yeah, there we go. Implement bot, and then we'll implement event handler for bot, and then async trait. I think that's okay. And then I'm pretty sure every one of these things is optional to implement, which is nice. So context. I don't know. Give me everything from the prelude, please. Alright. Info. Hey. Oh, is it because I don't have, oh, I don't have log. Okay. So log. There we go. That's why it's not there. Did I need to do that for Twitch as well? Or do I just not send any logs in the Twitch one? I suppose that's also very possible. Yeah, just use my workspace dependency for this. That's fine. Please save. Please. Hey. Where's my scanning? Please scan, please. Alright. Big arc, read write lock. Config, papa. Then the receiver is the receiver, central message, sender, Discord message. It's not actually like a Discord message. It's a Discord message in the same way that, I don't know. It's not the Discord message. It's more of a in-app message that is sent over a channel. Yeah. Is a knitted atomic bool. Hit me with a false. Actually, do I not use this atomic bool here? Like, isn't... Oh, well, no, yeah. Wait. No. Do I not? Am I dumb? Oh, it's only when you are modifying the atomic bool that you need to specify the ordering. Okay. That's fine. Okay. And then we need to know the bot ID, admin ID, and the guild ID. Okay. And so those are all env vars, so they should be passed as appropriate, aka sent from the main thread. So let's do that. So the main thread can pull some stuff like this. All right, Twitch here. I'm gonna pull out this Twitch creds thing, move it into model. So Twitch, or I guess creds.rs. Have your creds, and then mod creds. That makes sense. And then while we're at it, we might as well move out messages.rs. Messages. Please, sir, let me save. All right. So we can grab these. Oh, sorry. Messages. Say that's good enough. I think it does mean that I'm going to have to change several signatures. For example, this is now wrong. Actually, both of these are now wrong. The VS Code is being slow. Central message, Discord message. So that's better. This is still kind of wrong. Cannot find ready in this scope. Import ready. All right. What do you think? Oh, do I need to import everything from the model prelude as well from Serenity? I don't remember having to do that before. Model prelude. Yeah, all right. So now we should have everything we need there. I think if I go back to Twitch, this implementation is going to be slightly wrong. That's weird because it should be very wrong, but it's not. Central message, Twitch message. Yeah, because I took it out of here. Yeah, now it's just the config, which is sitting in the root file. I guess I'll figure it out. All right, so there's messages, CRUDs. Let's actually grab that from Twitch as well while we're at it. Yeah, so these are all pretty simple. So we'll take this out. Please. Hey. Hold on. Okay, so now I see the problem. 13, 14. Can you do that? I don't think you can do that, right? Assign this lifetime. Assign this lifetime. Maybe, actually. No, absolutely not. Hmm. I don't know. Do I need to assign the lifetime here, or is it just implied? Like when I learned that lifetimes were not actually my understanding of lifetimes is backwards. Oh, it all makes sense. Explicit lifetime type. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Does that fix it? I have a feeling it doesn't, but maybe it does. Maybe it does, I don't know. Maybe it does. Maybe that was good enough. We'll call it good enough. And let's do something similar for struct. It's not really credentials, I guess. So maybe that's invalid. Right, because the Discord stuff just kind of works. So Twitch creds, imports, yeah, just import that like that. Like so. It's private, that's true, so true. I don't know. Creds, what is your problem? Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Creds. Discord is looking for the, well, for several IDs. And then it's also probably going to be looking for... I don't know, actually. Where do I put my credentials? There's my token. Where did I get my token from? Oh, here, just the Discord token. Okay. So, Discord creds, why not? So pub, token. Yeah, we can just do all of these as static strings, that's fine. In a similar way that like bot name and channel name aren't really credentials, but they're still very important to have, I'm gonna do the same thing for the bot ID, admin ID, and guild ID for Discord. I don't really have a better name at the current moment though. Alright, there we go. Discord creds. Alright. So when we're creating it, we'll need, of course, the token. Who would have guessed? Give me 1 sec. Give me 1 sec. It's gonna go multi-line, almost certainly. Bot ID. Typing out this reference with a lifetime of a string. Kind of annoying. Admin ID. Guild ID. And then just rely on the formatter to make it look nice. Yeah, alright. So token, bot ID, admin ID, guild ID. Yeah, there we go. So it's basically just like a data struct. Right, derive. Although I'm somewhat curious, can it implement copy? It might be able to implement copy. Maybe this can also implement copy. Or maybe it's not even giving me anything to look at because it's not in the, I guess, the main tree. I mean, they should be their own crates, right? So they can be separately scanned, or scanned separately, I mean. Alright, so this is Twitch. can look at this, look at this. Timestamp, we can get rid of that. Anti-spam, still need to look, well, no, I already ported all of the anti-spam stuff, so that's fine. Okay. But here, so config, and then there's the creds. So I need a reference to the Discord creds. Yeah, we might as well hold on to it, right? Not, right? Creds is some sort of Discord creds, and we'll just take a reference to that. Yeah. What is your problem? Missing named lifetime parameter. What do you mean? Oh no, it's not here. And also, I'm pretty sure this doesn't need to be public. It doesn't matter if it's public or not, because they're not used outside. But this, I think this is where the error comes from. Yeah. It underlined the wrong thing, I think. Right? No? What is your problem? Missing lifetime specifier. Using the lifetime. Yeah, I am using the A lifetime. Am I not? No? Is that not how you do it? No, it is how you do it. Or did you want me to do this? That's not how you do it. That's absolutely not how you do it. Yeah. Maybe that is how I do it. There's Twitch creds, and then here's the Discord creds, but you don't really need to do this, right? Yeah. I'm just, why am I not getting good linting? So like this should also be giving me the same error though, right? Because this is done in the exact same way. No? We'll think about it. We'll think about it. I don't think I need this bit though. This part doesn't look familiar at all. But since I have all the creds here, I can take this out. Those just kind of exist. Here, and actually, I think these can just be U64s, actually. Nah, I'm thinking about it. These should just be U64s, since they are all just IDs, and then they can get parsed. Or actually, no, because they are stored as strings, and then I can parse them afterwards. So maybe when I do this, yeah, so they come to me as strings, and I'll parse them into U64s, yeah. Equal bot ID parse. And I guess this can be a result. So like anyhow, cargo. Oh, sorry, I don't have anyhow. Alright, so there we go. And then model, give me anyhow as well. And then this can be an anyhow thing. Anyhow, we'll just kind of pretend like it's there. So this is parse, unwrap. Probably good enough. Let admin ID is equal to admin ID. Parse me. is the last one. Yeah, there we go. And then, okay. Beautiful. So we'll construct the creds outside of it. Not a problem. And then this is some sort of creds. This is knitted, which is the atomic bool. Because I'm not sure if you can be ready twice. I have a feeling that you can possibly be ready twice, which is what the atomic bool is for. Anti-spam is anti-spam, just new. Reaction roles is a hash map. And then the last ones are just the receiver, sender. Yeah, beautiful. It is probably good enough. This is the Twitch bot. So this should still have just the runner externally, right? Or am I actually just, oh, I am just creating the bots directly. And I'm no longer having the helper function exist like this on the right. Yeah, so there's no more just bot run bots. Now it'll be like, well, maybe I should just have this again. And no, wait, no, this is the wrong one anyways. This is the, yeah, run bots. So this one I don't really need. Yeah. Oh, or maybe I do really need it. Hold on, move it over here. So async, create the API stuff, IRC stuff, and then there's just the bot implementation. Okay. Give me this, public async function run bot. Okay, and then this, we need the all of these things basically. There we go. Very nice. Anyhow, give me a to-do. So let mutable bot is equal to bots new, and then this requires the config creds receiver sender. Oh, sorry, we also need to await. Like that. And then we'll Tokyo spawn it, right? So, hit me with an okay. Okay. Maybe I just forgot to do this for whatever reason. That would not be the, the first time. Async move do. Let mutable interval is equal to Tokyo time interval. And then this will be the tick duration, I think. Bring the waifu back? No, the waifu is gone forever. Forever and ever. Hello, Dash. How are you? Hey, you want to know something, Dash? I actually watched an anime that you've watched. I watched 3 episodes of Bocchi the Rock, and I gotta tell you, it's a bit too real. It's too real for me. I was gonna watch more. I was like, I have like 3 more hours to just burn, so I could probably finish most of this anime. Like, if I keep watching and then watch the rest today. I was like, nah, it's done me psychological damage. The psychological damage is too strong. I wonder, can I edit the interval afterwards. So this is some sort of duration. So duration. Oh, sorry. Duration. Please, duration from seconds, F32. Please. Can't type today. It's good though, for sure. You know. I identify pretty hard with the social anxiety part. Especially when they're like, and it's like, oh no, like, they're talking about something I'm interested in, but I don't want to just butt in because I wasn't originally part of the conversation, so I'll just shut up and not say anything. Ah, no. It's me. Because also, like, I know a lot of people, they don't mind if you just butt in if you have something interesting to add to the conversation. But for me personally, I actually do get annoyed when other people butt in. I know it's not a very super common, but I don't know. Maybe it's just like an introvert thing. So when introverts are talking, they'd rather not have anyone else just kind of randomly butt in. You know, or the idea that like, oh, I'm gonna play guitar so I can get really popular, and then you just you don't end up getting really popular, you just end up learning how to play guitar. Oh no, is it me? Oh no, it's me. Yeah, can you modify the interval afterwards? Missed tick behavior. I can pull. I can tick, but I don't want to tick. Completes when the next instant in the interval has been reached. Or actually, you can reset it. So you have like the default duration, but actually we can also modify it based off of if the config has changed as well. Yeah, okay. Let me do this, just so I don't have just a bunch of librS's open, because it's also starting to confuse me. Alright. So give me this. There we go, there's your config RS. So then this is just a thing. Yeah, like this. Alright, so this config is actually kind of wrong. It's config. This one, librs for Discord. It's gonna have to be very similar. Config. But yeah, I can't say that I've ever performed in a box before though. But the idea that you would freeze up, that you're just so terrified of performing on stage, I've been there. It's even harder when you're playing in a band. Because when you're playing as part of like a group and you have other people that are potentially playing the same part as you, I think it lowers the pressure. But when you are playing like your own parts and you're the only one playing that part, that's when it gets very scary. That's when it gets extremely scary. It's, oh no, I'm scared. If I mess up, everyone's gonna know. So I better not mess up. And then the fact that you keep telling yourself, like, don't mess up. It's, oh no. Tick duration. So this is an F32. Hold on. Default tick duration. It's an F32. Oh no, we will put the default tick duration as 0.5. I think that makes sense. Saturday. Default is this. Yeah. The duration to wait between bot ticks. Yeah, there we go. Tick duration. Default tick duration. Okay, there we go. Ba, ba, ba. So interval tick. Wait. So what did I do here for Twitch RS? Yeah, okay, we just, oh wait. Yeah. So that gives us some sort of instant, but I'm not sure what you would do with that instant. Is that instant just like the current running time? I don't know. Yeah, I'm probably gonna finish Bocchi the Rock. Probably gonna finish it. But it's definitely not something I can binge, because it hurts me to watch. It hurts me to watch. It's very accurate to my high school experience. Let's say that. Well, let's not say that. I've never had a problem with finding people to eat with, I guess. I think if it's generally not too hard to find people to eat with, just like be presentable. And then people are, you know, and then you can find the other loners. Although it might be different in American schools where you usually go to like a cafeteria. Whereas I suppose in, you always see in like Japanese anime, there's always like, you can either eat in your room or like the current classroom that you're in, or you can go to a cafeteria, or you can just go wherever. Whereas in American schools, at least American public schools, you almost always have to eat in the cafeteria or get a teacher's permission to eat in their classroom. Which I actually did for a pretty long time. Not by myself though, just to be clear. Alright. I think I can have a config updated signal. I say signal, a config updated message. It's like config updated. I think that's a good one to have, and then I can handle it elsewhere. So like here we'll have like a config updated, and then we'll be able to like modify something. Like modify this interval, yeah. So if I modify the config to change the tick duration between ticks, then this can kind of dynamically change itself like this. Like Tokyo time interval. Yeah, just give me this. Oh, wait, no, hold on. Undo me. Tokyo time interval. Yeah, there shouldn't be any problems with this, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, you're just allowed to reassign it, and then when you tick it again, it's fine. Okay. So I need to think about how I'm going to handle that. Mutable ticks. Yeah, I don't know. Just give me a U64. It doesn't hurt to have a really big number for this. Const. Hold on. I can also move this over to the config. Where's my config? Here's Discord. Get that out of here. Here's the Twitch cargo. Don't need that. Don't need this. Probably don't need this. Cargo. Get this out of here. Alright, well, we'll keep this there for now. Ha ha ha. Alright. So here. Was it check live duration? Or check live ticks? Check live ticks. So that will be a U64, why not? Default check live ticks. So that should be 240. And I need to do it like this, because otherwise I don't think there's a way to set a default value when parsing the configuration. Like that. Ticks to elapse before bot checks if the configured Twitch stream is live. Yeah. So then this is now a problem. Check live ticks, default, check live ticks. Alright. Cargo Tom will get out. Creds. Creds are fine. Bot. Twitch? I don't think I need this one. Just need this one. Let me see. Ticks plus equals 1. Let mutable check live ticks is equal to what am I going to set this equal to? It's going to be equal to the bot config read await check live ticks. So we set it here, and then we'll only ever update it. And we're setting it mutable because we will be updating it eventually. So if ticks is greater than or equal to the check live ticks, and we need to do it like that because otherwise we'll just be waiting to read every single time, which we don't want to do. Ticks is equal to 0. Checking if channel is live. I wonder, is my bot actually live? I have a feeling it's not actually configured correctly, because it's something that I thought was working. Yeah, it's not working. I don't know why though. Yeah, there's no stream notifications. I need to get this done. Like it works sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes. Let me see. Check channel live. Bot. Check channel live. And then check channel live gives you, what does this give you? This gives you a result. Oh, and then we only care if there's an error. That's right, because it's self-contained, right? So if let's error, give me, hey, import log debug, and then just print out the error if there is one at all. Import error. So this is log error. And then I already have logging configured, so I think that should be handled. Well, it's in theory it's configured. I don't know if it's actually configured or not. There we go. Okay. Match bot handle chat. Oh, this is like exactly the same thing, huh? I could just copy and paste this part. I'm just gonna copy and paste this part. It's the same. It's mostly the same thing. Oh wait, but then this needs to loop as well. So let's do that. So loop. Grab me this. Okay, That's not so bad then. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe. Perhaps. Yes. I just don't want to get too nested here. But I think this is fine. Yeah. I think that looks good. Yeah, that looks good, I think. So I can take this stuff out. So we don't need to worry about this actually existing anymore. Probably should move all of this stuff out into like a separate file. I guess it doesn't matter, right? Because there's only just the bot implementation, at least for Twitch. And then I guess this stuff, which are just helper functions for creating all the associated resources. All right. For this one, I still have not refactored this one at all. So oh no. The creds, all of that stuff. Just give me a run bot here as well. Async public async func run this stuff. Maybe config in your creds. So what does this do? Okay, so we'll just copy and paste this stuff. I don't know if it's, no, it's not gonna work. Let me think. Commands RS. So we have commands here and commands here. I'm pretty sure I can just grab all of this stuff as long as I don't use the crate configuration. So just grab all of this stuff, slap it into there. Can't use crate config, but I can use crate, not crate, use, where do I usually pull these from? Oh, okay. Use model. Hey. Am I stupid? Like that. I don't remember what utils does. What was utils doing in the original thing? Strip command prefix? I think that's a useful one to have for sure. Alright, well, okay, let's make another crate. It's pretty much just going to be like a single thing. Cargo and knit utils. There we go. Now it's just included in the tree. Grab this. Where's my utils? librs. Should be fine. There we go. Yes, save me, please. Please. Use utils. What was it called? Strip command prefix, so that should be fine, maybe. Yeah. Or actually, strip command prefix isn't even used here, so maybe I don't need to do it here. Maybe that can just sit in config. Yeah. Oh, you know what? It's probably really confused because the cargo TOML is wrong because there is no rand here. All right. But actually, in this, I don't even need to have rand, right? Because I did break it out into its own kind of thing. Yeah. Because then I just use the command stuff. Oh wait, no, this is the specific commands. Is it not? Yeah, wait, this is wrong. Maybe I can do this. Just rename utils to commands. So there's commands, cargo toml. Call this commands. And then we'll grab, I don't know, give this a save, I don't know. Oh, you know what? The reason why I can't see it is because this needs to have commands, path, commands. That's why I was confused. This one needs to pull in these specific dependencies. I'm not sure if I need anything else. Like the Discord commands are actually separate from like the regular commands. So there's your commands. We can have a utils as well. Utils rs. Oop. Pubmod commands. Pubmod utils. Although you don't really need to have those. All right, now we're actually getting real stuff. All right, okay, I guess this also needs Serenity. And this, I also need this error. Okay, so this error, where is it? Am I stupid? All right. What do I use Serenity for? I use this for some of the conversions. I remember that. So I have from. Actually, do I have from an application command? I'm confused. Who wrote this? Command data. Okay, so I do need the Discord stuff there because yeah, this is the conversion. Yeah, from command data option, and that's a Discord thing because it's an application command. I think that is probably fine. Model is equal to path. Model, like so. That should be fine. And then we need this error as well. So this error, workspace, true. And it might not even need to be a workspace thing. So I could just move it to there just in case. Let me see, this is fine, right? What is your problem? Oh, sorry. Probably fine. Let's go back to just the regular main here. Alright, so this is fine. What is this? This is Twitch. That's also fine. Okay. Let's re-implement it here then. So this is the old main. Anti-spam, we'll keep it like that. That's fine. This is going to have some errors. So Tokyo spawn. And then we should have the SYB. So what do I have? I have, what is this? I don't think in like the main thing I don't need to do, I don't need to set the imports, do I? Or do I? Maybe that's something I do need to do. Discord run bot. So here's your config, or here's your config. Here's your receiver. So what did I give you there? It's the central receiver. So here's your receiver. And then your Discord sender, we can just give you it, right? So wait. Like that? Maybe it's okay. Oh no, cargo check failed. What is your problem? Where? I don't care about the bot stuff, but what did I do after this? Mutable Twitch join handle, because we always start it after the fact. Join handle. And then the tick duration is always going to be based off of whatever the config is. So let's interval equal Tokyo time interval, and then duration from seconds f32. Alright, config read. Oh wait. What did I call it? Tick duration? Where is it? What did I call it? Tick duration. Oh, do I have the wrong config imported? I almost certainly have the wrong config imported. Oh, I do. Okay. So it should be. How do you import other? Do I have to specifically pull those crates in? I might have to do that. Yeah. Okay. So let me do this. I need to pull up the old bots here. Sometimes you win. My fingers are not on the home row. So I typed in just a bunch of gibberish. All right, so yeah, okay, let's do some cleanup. Clean up. All right, come in. I don't know what debug RS is. librs, we also don't need that because it's not a library. All right. And then there's Discord. So we'll just clear everything. Do. So that's gone. That's gone. Cargo.toml. We no longer have a library to pull from. So now our thing is very confused because there's no longer a binary. That should be fine though, right? There's no more errors. Because now we're pulling everything from our workspace. So don't need that. Don't need any of these. Crits. Like that. What's your problem? It's not a problem though, it doesn't exist. Excuse me? Can I have a save, please? Please save me. Okay, what is your problem? Oh, right. S5B doesn't exist anymore. All right. So what's your problem? Right. No, okay, that makes a lot of sense actually in retrospect. All right, so now we should have a few other problems. What's the issue? I hate this. I don't know what the issue is. What are you talking about? I know it's not gonna compile. env build. Yeah, I don't know, build me. Missing dependency. This error was not found in workspace dependencies. Dependency this error. Okay, hold on. Commands this error. Oh, did I not? Oh, I spelled it wrong. Okay. And by spelled it wrong, I just left off the last part of the word. A classic. All right, so while it's re-indexing, I'm gonna be right back. All right, I'm back. Alright, so, oh no. Will it build? Alright, I didn't think so. Feature may not be used. What? Feature. From where? Who? Okay, so there must have been an update, I guess, to anyhow Rust, anyhow. So did this get updated, and that's why? Oh, geez, I have just a bunch of things open. There's Reddit. 169. Wait, what? Anyhow. Yeah. What? Feature may not be used on the stable release channel. What does this mean? Sure. Please try to explain it, but I what? Yeah. Feature attributes are only allowed on the nightly release channel. Stable. You need the feature, make sure to use a nightly release of the compiler. I'm not using a nightly release though. Anyhow, 168. So when was the last release? And actually, the latest on Crates.io is 169. Nice. I don't know. Okay, so maybe I just need to force it. Anyhow.169. Nice. I don't really understand what the problem is, but maybe maybe that fixed it, is tagging it to a, yeah, okay. Did they have to yank the last release then? Like, what the heck? No, it's still there. That's weird. I don't know. That's very strange. Alright, what is your problem? Okay, so you're looking for this stuff. I feel like all of this stuff I can just do separately. So like this stuff doesn't, it shouldn't need to worry about it. That's the point. Okay, so now I have more errors, which is good. Okay. So this is Discord, sure. This is Twitch. A few errors. Oh no, okay. Okay, hold on. Here's the deluge. What's your problem? Did I do this wrong? No, that's right. So we allied that. Okay. So pull that in. Your problem is that you're confused about the return type from traits. Map error anyhow, error from something like that. No, am I not? I'm still not allowed to do that. What is your problem? Convert the error to Required for Twitch client. What do you mean? What the heck? What the heck? Oh, this is supposed to be a tuple. That's why it's weird. Okay, sorry. That's why it's very confusing. Okay, so this is supposed to be a tuple. Okay, slightly better. Twitch creds, we need to elide the lifetime. And that should just be fine. We need to await this. Now this is creds escapes. Okay, hold on. Here you go, you can have this lifetime. So we take ownership of that. Okay, well. Okay. I guess we can just pass it. Pass it by value, that's fine. Here you go, here are your credentials. What's your problem? Static lifetime. Indicate the anonymous lifetime, that's fine. Let me pass you your creds here. And then you get very confused because the borrowed data escapes outside the function. Creds escapes the function body here. There's a reference that is only valid in the function. All right, fine. Hold on. Bot new. Here you go. Ba-ba. Expected reference string, found string. Create IRC resources. What is your problem? All right, wait, actually, no, that's fine. All right. Well, we don't need lifetimes anyways. Lifetimes are for nerds. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Gotta think. Gotta think. Then this needs to have the lifetime. It's an A. Ba, 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 ba. Why is it always a pixel hunt? I don't see it. It's somewhere up here. I see the red line. Oh, it's here. Bot message. That makes sense. It should be Discord message. Fixing it one at a time. Okay. Self creds. Wait, hold on. That was channel name? Self creds channel name. Then this one is bot prefix. Okay. Bot prefix. I guess I can also store that in the creds part. Right? So I don't know, like like pub traits, bots, creds. Then all it implements is like pub function get prefix, and then it'll just be the same prefix for all of them. Wait, it doesn't make any sense though. That's very complicated for no reason. I don't know. Like, I can store this on the credentials, and that might be better. But I'm not sure where to store it. Like, or how to do it. Like, I think that doing it on a trait is the easiest, but... okay, we can do it on a trait. Whatever. I don't know. What am I doing? Bot prefix. And it gives you can you do that? Okay, it's implied. That makes sense. Impl bot creds for Twitch creds. And that's it? Really? The lifetime doesn't matter here. Okay, cool. Then we'll do the same thing for okay. So can't I do this now? So self creds bot prefix. Maybe. I don't know. Seems fine to me. All right, commands. I see. I see the problem now is that I have not implemented commands at all. Discord message ready. Oh, sorry. This is supposed to be. Oh, yeah. This is Twitch. What am I doing? Twitch message ready. And then get rid of Discord message. So commands, of course, I know that I have not re-implemented commands, but maybe for Twitch, we'll just pull it in directly. Where's Twitch? Commands. Like so. That should be fine. Which means that we can then pull in these commands here. And I'm pretty sure they're not re-implemented yet. Yeah. Hold on. Commands. Actually, aren't these re-implemented or no? Yeah? Commands? Oh, because it's not re-exported. Okay, I think like that should be okay. Pub use. Or module. Consider declaring type. Wait. Wait. How do other crates do re-exports? That's something I don't really remember. Twitch API. Give me the docs, and then we'll from the docs, so we'll just go back to the repository. Actually, no, because well, doesn't this actually re-export? So how do you re-export? I don't remember. Can't you do this? Yeah, okay. And then these are fine. Okay. It took me a little bit to remember how to do it, but I've done it. All right, info, that's fine. We just gotta pull in that thingy, import log info. All right, and then creds, Twitch creds. Hey. Borrow data escapes outside of function. Does it? I think that's still something I don't quite understand. Is what do you mean? What's your problem? Oh, that's right. And I think this one's also very confused, right? Because it's going to start giving me an error about it escapes outside the function. I'm like, okay, I get it. Read write log. What is your problem? Oh, right. This is also an arc. New, read write, lock, new. All these things, cool. Yeah. If I just don't do this, right? Doesn't that just kind of imply? Like if you add the lifetime specifier to the function, then you're assigning the function from the lifetime, or the lifetime from the function to the reference. But if you just do this, it's elided, and then it should just be passed? Or is that not true? Must outlive static. Hey. Borrow data. So 260. It's all about 268s. Creds is a reference that is only valid in the function by. Let's call the lifetime of this reference. Hey. Let's call the lifetime of this. But hey. Indicate the. It is it. These are both elided though. Elided. Right. Let's call the lifetime of this reference 2. Or maybe it would make more sense if instead of just storing these all as strings. Yeah, maybe that's the problem, is that these are all just strings. So if I do this, so it can just hold on to like actual string objects. I feel like this should be valid though, but maybe I'm just dumb. That would not be the first time it's happened. Right. So we take it. Like, isn't it like, it's my understanding that we would take ownership of these once we pass this into the bot new. Is that not right? All right. Well, I mean, the easiest way is just to turn these, you get rid of this, right? And get rid of all of these. These are now just string values, right? That's the easiest, right? And then we no longer need lifetimes here. I feel like I still don't really understand lifetimes then. I was like, man, this makes so much more sense, is that we're passing ownership. But maybe it's just different for like strings and stuff. What is your problem? Oh, sorry. Okay, so these, that's fine. I'll just change this really quick. Ba, 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 ba. There it is. So toString this. What is your problem? Refresh token? Oh, sorry. Yeah, that makes sense. Refresh token. Expected string found that string. So token. String. Okay. That's probably fine, right? And then this, you get rid of this lifetime. And then the last bit. Ha 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 ha. Where is it? Okay. There we go. Maybe I should just change the colors. Because maybe it's just my eyes are not good enough to pick out the color red. I'm like very subtly red-green colorblind apparently. Alright, what is this problem? Alright. That's probably better. It makes more sense because I guess these are just objects that we hold on to. Can we do that? And actually, then I think that lifetime now makes sense. Maybe it's because I was trying to, well, okay, hold on. Maybe not. I was so excited. I was like, yes, I finally did it. And these are add string, and actually, yeah, no, that's fine. What is this upper one first? Hold on. Channel name, select the string found, string as string. All right. It's like playing a game of whack-a-mole. As string. All right, the last one. Return type references an anonymous lifetime, which is not constrained by the function input types. Eh? Which one? Where? Oh, Twitch creds. That's right. Okay, then we keep going. Please, I'm going to die. If I assign a lifetime to this, is that valid? No, because now we're... creds is a reference that is only valid in the function body. Lifetime is defined here. Yeah. What? Creds is a reference that is only... See, I thought I understood how these worked, but now I very clearly do not. Rest is a ref... What does this mean? Following code only lists with the duration of the closure, trying to store outside. Yeah, that's not what I'm doing. I'm passing it in. And then isn't that the... Okay, right. Rest lifetimes. Sure. Give me the rest by example first. Borrow checker. Yeah. Function changes to lifetimes have a few constraints. Any reference must have an annotated lifetime. Any reference being returned must have the same lifetime as an input or be static. Yeah. And then I'm not returning. Yeah, I'm not returning anything, so that's fine. Without input is banned if it would returning references to invalidate it. Yeah, that makes sense to me. Methods. Well, no, this is a function. Yeah, so this shouldn't have a lifetime. This doesn't need a lifetime. Or maybe it does. Wait, maybe it does. Any reference being returned. Any reference must have an annotated lifetime. Okay, I mean, that makes sense to me, right? This has an annotated lifetime. It's a reference. And then we're actually passing it to bot new. Yeah, you can't do that. Or maybe you can do that. Yeah. No, you can't do that. Maybe you can't do that? No. Escapes outside function? I'm feeling dumb. Using rather than ensuring that a type has the behavior, blah blah. Every reference has, yeah. Dangling references. Yeah, you can't do that. Borrow checker, sure. Generic lifetimes. Maybe I missed something. Yeah. Da da da. Lifetime annotation syntax. Function signature. And then you just pass the lifetimes around. But I'm not passing any lifetimes around. Well, I am, but I'm... it just kind of goes away. Maybe bot new is wrong? Maybe that's why it's confused? No, because yeah. Here, that's fine. That makes sense. So given a reference to some credentials with a lifetime A, we then pass that same lifetime to our bot. So our bot has a lifetime A as well. String 1 is valid until the outer scope, and then string 2 is valid until the inner scope. Yeah, to the end of inner scope, yeah. Yeah. Simplification is compiled because the return value lifetime is not related to the lifetime of the parameters at all. That's true. Struct definitions. Field part that holds a string slice, which is a reference as with generic data types. We declare the name of the generic lifetime parameter inside angle brackets after the name of the structs. Blah blah. Historical early versions of compile because every reference needed explicit lifetime. At the time, the function signature would have been something written like that. But blah blah blah. So you don't need to do it. This is going over the history. Elision. How do you pronounce this?
Elision.
Elision. Elision. Elision. Elision. Elision. It's not rules for programs to compile. There's a particular case to compile. We consider if your code fits these cases, you don't need to write the lifetimes explicitly. Blah blah blah. It's 3 rules. That's not really what I'm talking. Or this is not super relevant for me. Yeah, this is just talking about elision rules. I don't care though. This one, lifetime annotations and method definitions. Not really what I'm doing. Yeah. Static lifetime. Nope. Generate type parameters. Trait bounds and lifetimes. This is completely useless. People always tell me to read the freaking Rust book, and the Rust book is completely useless. Borrowed data escapes outside a function. Arguments, where? Arguments, Where? Lifetime A is defined. Yeah. It's a reference to Twitch quiz and I pass it to you. Do I not? Must outlive static. Why? I don't understand. Maybe I'm just Googling the wrong thing. Rust lifetime parameter must outlive static. Da da da. Your type must not contain any references shorter than static, so if you can't make A and B both be static, the only option is to not put dispatcher in state. A to outlive static means that A must be equal to or longer than static, and yes, static is the lifetime. For similar error, For one error, sure, blah blah. 2 owned. Okay, I guess whatever. Just don't use a reference, I guess. That's fine. So we don't need this. Okay, so let's just simplify. I thought I was trying to be, I was being clever here, but maybe I'm very clearly not as clever as I would hope to be. Alright, so that's fine. Just let that break. What's your problem? That's right. Oh, sorry. Will you light it? It has some... Okay, fine. We can have a lifetime. You know, if you want to have a lifetime, you can have a lifetime. That's fine. Here's your lifetime. What's the last one? This one again. So this is no longer a thing. Yeah, and then we can just pass it. Yeah, okay, that's fine. I still don't really understand lifetimes then. What the heck? Like, I understand the like how they work, but the explicit lifetimes, I just don't understand them at all. Because whenever I try to use them, it always gives me an error. Saying that like it doesn't live longer. Yeah, like I know, but I'm passing it. I'm passing it, but I guess Rust is just I'm not using it anymore. It gets dropped. I'm dropping it. I want it to be dropped. No, I don't know. I'm just mad. Whatever. You can take ownership of it. That's fine. It's something that I would feel more comfortable in like C or something. Because, you know, in C you can just say, all right, here's your pointer. Enjoy having a pointer. All right, so now this is something. Import, please. Import, please. Import, please. Import, please. Oh, okay, hold on. Yeah, isn't it SYB or no? What did I call it? Hey. How do I get these things from the build.rs? Or actually, did I deleted those, right? That's right. Lib.rs. There's your name. You can have a name if you want. Then in the lib.rs, we'll need to define all of these other things, which I'm looking up elsewhere. Actually, I guess I don't need to have a lib.rs, right? Yeah, actually, never mind. Now I'm thinking about it. I'm considering it again. Wait a minute. Say goodbye. Yeah, we can just use these directly. So this will be env build name. There you go. I can guarantee that these exist. They're just in my build.rs file. And then this one. This will just be Discord runbot. Should be fine, maybe not. Oh, that's right. Takes 4 arguments, so 3 arguments were supplied. And then, that's Discord. This is also Discord. Oh, and then this should be a value, that's right. Let creds is equal to creds Discord creds new. So what are we looking for? We're looking for creds. Sorry, creds. So there's the token. How did I pass the token last time? Like this. So env Discord token. Env. Discord bot ID. The admin ID. Discord admin ID, which is me. And then the last one, which is the guild ID. Discord guild ID. Yeah, it should probably be fine, I guess. What's your problem? Yeah, and then we'll just pass it to you. Yeah. So yeah, you can have it. That's fine. Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, because it needs to be parsed. So yeah, we can just unwrap it here. So if this fails to unwrap, then whatever. I don't care. Suppose I should expect instead. So expect unable to parse Discord creds. Like so. Your problem is that it does not return a result. This function should return. Oh, that's right. That's right. So run bots. Yeah, I mean, this does return an anyhow result. All right. Well, there you go. Also, well, to do it. What is your problem? It does. What are you talking about? The question mark arbitrary can only be used in an async block that returns result or option. The traits from residual result infallible anyhow error is not implemented for. What do you mean? All right, we'll get rid of this then. What about this? What do you think about this? To do stub. I don't understand. What's the problem? I don't know. Unwrap me then. F you. All right. It was actually another error. Actually, no, it wasn't. What the heck? I don't understand what the problem is. This returns an anyhow error, or anyhow result, which potentially contains an error. What? It's an anyhow error. What? Excuse me? All right, just compile me again. What does the compiler think? Because it says that there's actually 2 errors here. So I'm assuming that there's another error somewhere else. Oh, this function. Async move does not return a thing. Okay. I see. It's because of this block, Tokyo spawn. This async move does not actually return a thing. Okay. If let error this is equal to that, then I don't know, just error like that. Yeah, okay, that's good enough, I guess. Sure. All right, you know what? I got annoyed, but no, that was my problem. That was me. That's my fault. Okay. Bin bot. Tick duration. Alright, so then we'll loop, interval, tick, wait, and then this actually returns something. So just in case it feels like giving me a warning, we won't use the warning. Where is running? Is running? Oh, is running is up here. That's right. If not, is running. Fetch and? Can't I just check? Compare exchange? I don't really care. Get mutable? Fetch update? I guess I don't really understand. What atomic bool? Is there not a way just to use it? Rust atomic bool? Because like having to load it doesn't really make sense to me. So like is there usage here or no? What's this? Compare exchange. Stores the value in the bool. The current value. What? What's the ordering argument? I don't know. Get mute. Probably not. Load. I guess load is how most people would do it. Yeah. Swap. Compare in swap. Nope. Get mute. Don't know. We'll just load it. That's fine. Load. Ordering relaxed. So what does this mean? So there's a part. When coupled with load, if the load value is written, then all subsequent operations become ordered after that store. Yeah. Relaxed, release, sequential, CST. Guaranteed that all threads see all sequential consistent operations in the same order. Very. All right, it's relaxed. I don't know. It doesn't matter since we're only reading it from one thread. So match Discord receiver, try receive. So if it's, or maybe I don't need to do anything. Oh, actually no, I do need to handle the error cases. So match v. So there's a Discord message and then E match E. So what do you got? I don't know. Just fill me in. Actually, I don't want to film. Yeah, don't fill me in, actually. And it also, I think, posted. Yeah, it pasted it in the wrong place. Very nice. Oop. Then I posted it in the wrong place. There we go. There we go. Why doesn't it post it in the right place? And I know why it's not posting in the right place. It's because it doesn't. It's because the Tokyo main thing actually is I guess Rust Analyzer doesn't play nice with procedural macros. Discord message. So what do you got? There's ready. That's always a good one. We'll think about it. Discord. Debug. Debug. So Discord. Like Discord message error. Is it an error? Yeah, it is just another string. I forgot. Okay. So now if we're ready, then that's where I actually start the Twitch stuff. Info, Discord, ready, exclamation mark. And then we'll do Twitch join handle is equal to host sender subscribable. Hold on. There's a few other things. So host sender, and there's the Twitch sender. Oh yeah, I remember. I need to actually clone the sender here. So Twitch, oh sorry. Twitch sender clone. And then the config, as always, config is equal to config clone. So this is equal to some, whatever this output is. Okay. We're getting closer and closer to going back to feature parity. Oh, actually, hold on. Some Tokyo spawn async move I gotta think. Mute wait interval Tokyo Tokyo time interval. All right, then we just wait 5 seconds every single time. And then run bot can potentially return an error, that's right. While Twitch run bot. So there's your config. Oh, I do need to generate the credentials. Don't forget. But then there's a receiver, there's a sender, so then the creds in a similar fashion should be done like this. Creds is equal to creds, Twitch creds, new. All right, so what are you looking for? Twitch creds are looking for, please. Twitch creds needs the refresh token. Okay, so what is everything called? Twitch client ID. Well, Twitch refresh token. So env Twitch refresh. That's not how you spell Twitch. Twitch refresh token. Twitch client ID, client secret, and then the bot name, and then the channel name, Chanel name. There we go. Should be okay. What's your problem? Expected string. Oh, that's right. Client secret. So yeah, we're basically just copying them. That's fine. It's not what I had in mind, but I know this will work. It's kind of weird how whenever I run into like weird memory errors, I'm just, you know what, let's just allocate more memory. Just throw more memory at it, it'll be fine. All right, so while this is an error, because I don't know what's wrong with Twitch, but just occasionally when you try to connect to their IRC, they'll just boot you for no reason. So while it's an error, wait interval tick, await, something like that. All right, what's your problem? Use of moved value. Okay, yeah, I mean, we can just clone it, that's fine. Enjoy your clone. Creds. I guess, yeah, oh yeah, because, yeah, we do need to do that because it is. We are trying it over and over again. All right, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Value assigned to Twitch join handle. Yeah, yeah, it's never read up until we need to read it. Which I suppose it makes quite a lot of sense, actually. Discord join handle. Abort. Discord join handle. Await. Unwrap error is canceled. If Twitch join handle is sum, Twitch join handle is equal to Twitch join handle unwrap So now we have the actual join handle. Because originally it was an option. Join handle, abort, assert, Twitch join handle. Await is okay. Okay, well there we go. So do need to start getting ready to kill the current bots, but I think this is cleaner. I think I don't remember. Oh, Twitch receiver, I do need to have that. Twitch receiver and the Discord receiver. Actually, what am I yeah, there's the Discord receiver. Yeah. Match Twitch receiver, try receive, match V, Twitch message. So what do we have? We have ready, Twitch message, channel live. There's your channel and your title. Debug, channel, with title, if let error is equal to host sender central message Okay, there we go. And then let's just finish it up. So there's debug and error. So debug, debug. Oh, right. I was looking at it. I was like, wait, why is it still red? It's about to launch into another rant. All right. Twitch receiver close. Yeah, it's basically the same thing, huh? So then the last error, can't see the color red for whatever reason. Okay, there we go. Just not. Borrow this field in the pattern to avoid. Hey. What do you mean? Twitch message. Am I not borrowing it? 141. No, you can't do that. Eh? Use a partially moved value. Partial move because value has type string. No, it doesn't. Value partially moved here. No, it doesn't. Okay, fine. I know I can do it like this. Right, because then we can... Well, if this implements debug, looking at channel is live, pretty prints me, and then give me just a reference to it. And then maybe, yeah, I guess the compiler can just figure it out. Yeah, there we go. That's probably good enough. Give me Discord, please. Yeah, okay. I think everything is looking decent, maybe. Hard to say. I suppose this part isn't actually re-implemented just yet. Alright, give me the Twitch stuff. I'm missing one pattern here. And by one pattern I mean I'm missing a few patterns. Actually, no, this is fine, right? Yeah. Check live tags. It doesn't need to be mutable, but maybe on handle central message. Maybe I can have the live ticks. Maybe I can store the interval on the bot instead, so that when it's, yeah, that makes more sense, is I store that interval on the bot instead. Yeah, so there's your interval like that. Okay. Let's actually move everything to a separate file. So there's a separate runner and everything. Okay. So there's your twitchbot.rs. It's mod twitchbot. It's beautiful. Here it is. Grab everything here. Grab everything here. And then I'll just need to import pretty much everything. So import. Import me. Import me. Import me. Import me. Import me. Pretty much just import everything that we used before. Alright. So, I don't know, just grab everything, I guess. And then we'll delete. We'll delete afterwards. Yeah, there we go. So time duration, don't need it, apparently. Here, this should be twitchbot. Twitchbot.bot. It's gonna complain. It's not public. Oh, sorry. Yeah, just make it public. That's fine. Give that a save. What's your problem? Function new is public. Oh, that's very fair. Public. Bot config. Oh, that's right. Which means that all of these need to be public now. Which is fine. It just makes it a little easier to think about. Although I can feel myself kind of drifting into like, oh no, this is kind of how you do a lot of Java programming. Which you don't want to do. Alright. So that's fine. And then it's just here, config is private, pub. Maybe I can have like a tick kind of thing. So here we'll have like public async function tick. Doesn't return anything, but then here we'll have the interval. So this needs to be an interval, Tokyo time interval. This one will just need to be interval is Tokyo time interval from a duration from like that. And I believe when you tick, you have to use a mutable reference to yourself, right? Because ticking is, yeah, it's a mutable self. That's right. Equal self interval tick. Like that. Which means I should be able to mutate its own interval as well. So when we receive a message called like handle central, but yeah, if we from here, from handle central message, we can do, I think this is actually kind of wrong because it's not a crate level thing, right? Yeah, central message config updated. We'll do self interval is equal to Tokyo time interval duration from seconds self config, oh wait, config, please config read, oh wait, tick duration, yeah. Am I not allowed to do that? Mismatch types. Oh, that's true. Return true. Can't you do this as well? Is true? Yeah, okay. True, true, that's true. So that's true. This is false. If we're lagged, that's fine. And I don't know. Everything else is probably fine, so we'll just true it. There we go. So then we don't need this external one. Then we just need the tick. And it doesn't really matter if there's an error or not. Well, actually, no, there can never be an error. The tick can never have an error, but it could potentially spin for a while. So then we can do bot tick, like that. What's your problem? Oh, sorry, we need to await. Don't need this interval anymore. Like so. Oh, actually, wait, hold on. We don't need this interval. We can still tick. Yeah. We can tick. I gotta think about that. So if we tick here, so we can actually check the, well, because we store the interval within the bot, then that means the bot can figure itself out, which is good. Handles all its own stuff. Huh. But then check live ticks. I think I might need to store that on the bot as well. Check live ticks, which is U64, I guess. So here, when we receive an update, so self check live ticks is equal to, oh, okay, hold on. Let config equal self config read await. Alright, so that's our config, and we'll just use the same config every time, as I really should be doing. Config tick duration. That makes sense. Self check live ticks is equal to config check live ticks. Yeah. Okay, I think that makes sense. Store all that stuff on the structs. We make these two things just available and hide everything else. Yeah. Actually, does the config even need to be available? So maybe it's just check live ticks like that? No, okay, wait. There's an error. What's the error? Where is it? Check live ticks. Oh. Check live ticks. Wait. I think I should be pulling these from the config, yeah. So config. Wait. Wait. Config. Check live ticks. So we'll use all the defaults, but then once we actually read it, then we can. Then we'll update it ourselves. Yeah, it'll update itself. So it'll use the defaults initially, and then it'll update itself once it actually reads the configuration. Yeah, like this. And then it's all shared. So it's sent over to the main thread. The main thread then rebroadcasts it out, which is a little inefficient, but it does mean I can pretty trivially add another bot, I think. Maybe. At least that's the hope with the design. Running Twitch bot. Okay, I think that feels pretty good, at least for this. There's Discord bot rs. We'll just move all this stuff over to its own thing, just because it's a bit cleaner. Like that. Mod Discord bot mod commands. Slap this stuff in here, and then we might need to remove a few things, I guess. And then what was my previous implementation? Gotta sneeze as well. Oh no. Excuse me. I think that looks fine. I might need to store the tick duration here. Is it super anti-spam? Yeah, okay, yeah. Super anti-spam. What did I do? Okay, I'm going back to the... Twitch bot. Okay, yeah, here's the interval. So you need to store your own interval as well. Okay. Which means this is interval is Tokyo time interval. Oh, and then we won't read, it doesn't matter if we read from the config, right? Config, default tick duration. And then once we receive, oh, sorry. Once I receive the update, duration from seconds this, blah, blah, there it is. Yeah, once it receives a notification that everything's been updated, then we'll update our interval. I think that makes sense. So I might need to re-implement the same stuff like tick as well. Info. There's ready. Standard framework. Is it new? Let's configure it. Takes a some sort of lambda, which is a configuration. C dot prefix. Where did I store the prefix? Because I know I configured that with the for the Twitch stuff as well. Twitch bot. Handle private message. Oh yeah, I stored it on the credentials. That's right. So